not been able to film for a very long time. I know it has been a very long time. But yes, I am back and I'm back with a bang, and today I will be sharing with you guys this very look, which is a black smoky eye with green eyeshadow. Most of the women skip this amazing small ring sexy look just because it might be way too difficult to achieve, but that is the case in the past. So if you guys are interested and want to know how to achieve this one, then please keep on watching. This is the second time I'm filming this video because the first time I was filming this, my camera was actually not recording. Struggles of a YouTuber. So whenever I do smoky eye, I like to do my eyes first and then the base. So for that, I'm going to straight away jump into my L'Oreal gel liner, and the brush that I will be using will be the one which comes along with the kit, and then applying it from my lash line till the crease, not going above that. Just be mindful about it. Just slowly build the product, and that's why I would recommend you to have the most petite brush. This definitely will give you a control over your application. So this is it. Now, as I know that I have reached my crease, I won't be taking this pigment any further. Okay, so I know I look like a raccoon right now, but don't be scared. This is going to get blended right now. I'm going to use my NYX number 16 brush, and from my Morphe 35O palette, I'm going in with this particular shade, which is going to be my transition color, and I'm going to apply this into and above my crease. I'm going to take the generous amount, tapping the excess. I like to start it from the edges first, and then slowly dragging it forward. If you apply any gel liner, you do have a little bit of restriction with your brush. You can't blend it that seamlessly, but as you build the product, you are able to achieve that softness and that seamlessness, and you have a much better control over the application. Going to diffuse the edges. It's going to give a much softer look, and the key game of creating a black smoky eye is actually blending. Blend as much as you can till the time you feel that the edges are softer. You got to enjoy the process of blending. I know it is taking away from the intensity of the black color, but don't worry, we will be patting a black eyeshadow at the end, so it's okay even if the black eyeshadow from your crease area is getting faded away. I'm also going in with one more shade, which is going to be this orange warm tone sort of a color, and this will also go into and above my crease. This time I am going with a Real Technique beige shadow brush, starting again from the edges and then slowly taking it into my crease and above my crease. Don't forget to get this eyeshadow into your inner sockets as well. So I am pretty happy with the way blending has been done. It looks much better, but a lot more work has to be done. So now I will be using my favorite eyeshadow, which is from Kiko. This is hands down one of the best black eyeshadows I have. Let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks on my finger. It's like the sparkly, glittery sort of a eyeshadow, and this is how it looks on the back of my palm. Look at the pigment, guys. This is seriously hands down one of the most amazing black eyeshadow that I have. I love the glitter it has. It's got some beautiful purple undertone. This is like one of the best pigments that I've seen, and this is what I'm going to apply it and pat it all over my lid now. Taking my Body Shop flat brush, I'm going to take a little bit of it on this one. I like to start it from the middle and then taking it slowly to the inner corners. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, which comes along with my Modern Renaissance palette. And then I'm going to use this orange color once again to apply it into and above my crease, so that they are all merged nicely. Okay, now to make it a little different from the regular classic black smoky eye, I am going in with this beautiful apple green glitter pencil. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. You can just get any of this product from the local market. So I'm going to apply this on the inner half of my lid. Even if you don't have the eye pencil, you can go in with the regular eyeshadows. You can go in with any color that you fancy. It's not necessary to be a green color. You can go in with purples. I think even blues are going to look amazing with this one. I am going in with this Kiko black eyeshadow once again to intensify the outer corners, making sure that the green eyeshadow is seamlessly blended with the black eyeshadow. I will be using this particular color to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. When you're doing your black smoky eye or any sort of smoky eye look, you tend to have fallouts. So that's why now I'm going to clean all the fallouts. I've already primed my face with e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And now I will be using the foundation from Kiko again. This one is called Universal Fit Hydrating Foundation. And the shade that I will be using will be Warm Beige 30. I love the consistency of this one. It's thick. And then when you buff it with my all-time favorite Real Technique Miracle Sponge. Just pushing the foundation inside, you guys know the drill. So I've applied my foundation. I have to do my brows first. I definitely have defined brows. So all I need to do is basically to define it even more. What I'm going to use right now is my black gel liner from L'Oreal and an angular brush from Vega. So I'm going to fill in the sparse area, making it look all the more fuller and defined. Once I reach the forward part of my brows, I'm going to use vertical strokes to define them. Now I'm going to use a concealer to highlight the high points on my face, and I'm going to use Maybelline the Eraser Eye Concealer. I don't really remember the particular shade that I'm using, so I will mention it in the description box for you guys to have a look. The usual areas I like to conceal are obviously under the eye, nose, on my forehead, and near my mouth. And then again, using my Real Technique Miracle Sponge, we'll be buffing it into my skin. Now to quickly set that concealer, I'm going to use my compact powder from MAC. Now to contour my face, which is my favorite part, I will be using my favorite NYX contouring palette. This is the most ultimate palette, guys. Look at the range. Like, you have contour shades for almost all sort of skin types, whether you have the most darkest skin tone or the most lightest skin tone. This is absolutely phenomenal. Even for the price, it's just for 2000 rupees in India. It's worth the purchase. It's like got all the combination that you require for the contouring process. They even have the highlighters, the yellow powder, the setting powder, everything out there. So yes, this one is again something that I really swear by. I'm going to use this particular shade to contour under my cheekbone and my jawline. I'll be using this fan brush from NYX. It's like a multi-purpose brush. This brush can be used for highlighting your face and as well as for contouring. Trust me guys, this blends like a dream. Now to contour my nose, I will be using this particular lighter shade. Now I'm going to basically make sure that my contour is much more defined, and for that I'm going to clean any fallouts of those contour. Because I want to keep this look more on the warm tone side, I will be using this NYX Baked Blush. It's like one of those amazing blushers if you want to achieve that sexy tan look. So with my Milani blush brush, I will be using this to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Also, I like to put a little bit on my nose. It just gives a very nice, cute shine. Now to highlight the high points on my face, I will be using this beautiful, gorgeous palette from Sleek. It's like the most amazing drugstore highlighter that I own. For the drugstore price, the quality that it offers is definitely a bomb. So I will be using Equinox and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. That is it. Like, I'm almost done with my face. The last part that is left is obviously doing my lower waterline and the lip shade. For my lower waterline, I will be using this apple green sort of an eye pencil again. Then I'm also going to use this particular orange eyeshadow on my lower waterline. I'm also going to use the star of my show, which is this Kiko black eyeshadow, starting from the edge, joining it with the upper shadow and then dragging it slowly towards the inner corner. I will be applying some mascara. This one is from NYX. So next I will be applying these falsies, which are from Huda Beauty. Just a disclaimer, these are not the original ones, these are fake. I got it from Bangkok and these are just for 50 baht. The final thing that is left is applying a lipstick. I will be using a combination of these two. This is the lip pencil from NYX, it's called Love. And also the NYX Lip Matte Cream, which is again in the shade called Love. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you want to see next. Until then, I will take your leave and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!